folks. Welcome to my channel. Sorry I haven't been around lately. Been going through some personal issues. My mom's in the hospital from having a stroke, so yeah, sometimes there's just more important things to do than making YouTube videos. But I do apologize. I'll be posting when I can and when I feel better. This is me killing time in between visits of my mom at the hospital and whatnot. I'm going to downtown or Old Town Phuket, as they call it. It's like Portuguese style architecture and street art, and a lot of scenic things and places to eat, or places to eat at, and then things to do and look at. So yeah, so bear with me here. Again, I'd like to apologize. Hope everyone's having a good day. Here is the scenic Portuguese architecture, which is different than most of Thailand.
They have trains that go down.
It's kind of trippy. The areas that we went to, there's even a Chinatown here, believe it or not, or at least they're trying to make it one. They list it as it is, but it's not really a Chinatown yet. So yeah, I was very intrigued by this architecture, and look at the artwork right here. There's a picture of my brother. So yeah, we're just killing time, looking around. I really like the vibe out here. It's actually pretty nice. It's like the only European style place in Phuket, or in Thailand basically. Well, there might be some more, but this is heavily influenced by the Portuguese if you see the architecture. Me being from Portugal, or being born in Azores, Portugal, I can happily relate to this. I actually love Portuguese people and architecture, and yeah. So we're just wandering around, taking in the scenery. I like the old style.
Near this big temple, Old Town Phuket.
I definitely should have used my gimbal when I was doing this, but it is what it is. So I apologize for the shakiness of the video, not being stable and whatnot. I'm very appreciative of my brother and his wife for inviting me to walk with them. We're all just trying to take our minds off of my mother, who is in the hospital. Please pray for her recovery. She had a stroke. So that's the main reason why I haven't been posting as much as I normally do, and I apologize, but sometimes there's just things that are way more important than posting YouTube videos. I hope you all understand, and I will be back. Just my depression gets to me, and I'm working on it. So I'm right here near the Phuket Old Town Wat, or the temple, and yeah, I really appreciate these temples and architecture. It looks pretty neat. So I'm just recording the daily hustle and bustle of Phuket. It gets pretty busy for low season. Not too bad, huh? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.